Passport has over a decade and a half of manufacturing and insight that our competition simply doesn't have. Before we dive in, I wanted to say thank you from the entire Passport team. We are excited to share how Passport gives you more square footage for your weight and more features for your dollar. Let's check out some exterior features. Keystone RV is proud to be the first major RV manufacturer to include solar power systems on every RV. Our single axle models come standard with Solar Flex ready, prepped with the option to upgrade to Solar Flex Protect, which is what our SL and GT double axle models come standard with. This operates all 12-volt systems and helps keep your battery from dying and having to be replaced. You can also upgrade to Solar Flex Discover, which provides you with more energy, adding power to 110-volt outlets to run off-grid. Both systems can be easily expanded after purchase. For more information about Solar Flex, visit keystonerv.com/SolarFlex. HyperDeck is Keystone's exclusive patented floor design that is engineered out of 100% inorganic materials. You'll find this flooring in every single Passport model. Your Passport will also include a heated and enclosed underbelly, allowing you to camp longer. Every Passport comes standard with a fully walkable roof with Alpha Systems TPO membrane. Additionally, our double axle models feature an exterior convenience center that provides a nice central secure location for all of your hookups. Camp with ease in these models with electric stabilizer jacks, power tongue jack, and a power awning. Our double axle models also come standard with Dexter TorFlex torsion axles and TPMS. We know that campers' #1 concern about buying an RV is a fear of towing. So for 2024, Passport is delivering the best and safest towing experience with all new Dexter TorFlex torsion axles. Coupled with the new addition of tire pressure monitoring system, this provides an invaluable layer of safety and a peace of mind while on the road. Now let's head inside. Make cleaning a breeze with carpetless flooring in every Passport featuring Bow-Floor resilient vinyl flooring throughout. Every Passport kitchen comes with standard seamless countertops, which are easier to clean and stay cleaner longer. We've added an extra piece of home with a farmhouse-style stainless steel sink to all double axle models. It is deeper than a standard RV sink, so it's easier to wash dishes and won't discolor over time. Passport offers the best-in-class storage. We've maximized every square inch of space in each floor plan so you can bring every necessity and then some while on the road. We've made sure to give you the sleeping space that you deserve with a residential 60x80 queen-size bed as a standard feature. To top it all off, we've given you even more Keystone exclusives that include Blade high-performance air handling, Key TV, color-coded wiring, and not to mention Keystone's industry-leading 1-year limited warranty and 3-year structural warranty. As you can see, even though lightweight, there's a lot that Passport packs into every floor plan. Thank you for taking the time to check out some of our favorite features. Head on over to keystonerv.com/passport for more information. And remember, with Keystone Passport, you always camp better.